I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't don't stuck up in my way, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you do some magic in it. Act like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You itty bitty, and I'll be there. Be there.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy King Kilo. Today I got another unboxing for you guys. But before we get off into the video, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave some comments down below for your boy. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get it. The shoe that I'm unboxing is the Burgundy Crush Nike Dunk SB Low City of Love. And I believe it comes in a pack. So you got the Burgundy Crush, which is this colorway. And then you have a sail colorway, which I'm going to throw up on the screen right here. And that's what that one looks like. But I ended up hitting these on the SNKRS app for a total of $125. They released on the 9th, I believe. And they just came in today, so now I'm doing a review for y'all. But as you guys can see, got both shoes here. Boom. Both different laces. Y'all let me know which laces y'all like better, which one y'all would rock. I prefer the red ones, but y'all let me know down in the comment section below. These are pretty dope, man. So if I like zoom in here, y'all can see the materials. Like, they look crazy. Crazy. Little quality control right there on the toe box, but it's all good. You feel me? Boom. This is a nice shoe, man. And as you can see on the tongue, you got this red woven string on the Nike SB tab right there that y'all can see. And then it's also on the right pair as well, which I think is a nice touch. But I had to look it up because I didn't know what like this stuff was and what the symbolism was. But they said it was for a Valentine's Day and celebrating like your love and unbreakable bond. So I'm just gonna read to you what I found online. And then it's basically saying that the red string that's on the tongue right here, it's on the tongue, is to represent an unbreakable bond or connection. And it's represented by the red thread of fate. And then the insoles, which are right here, take the theme even further by showing the red string tied to the pinky finger, representing an inseparable bond. And then, like, it's with your soulmate, obviously. But, dang, I think that's pretty dope, y'all. Like, y'all tell me how y'all feel about that. Nike SB doing their thing. They always kill it with the collabs. And they always do it with the symbolism and everything like that. And I think that's pretty dope. Like, because this looks crazy. Crazy details. Like, I like that. And like when the shoe has meaning, it like kind of means more. Like, you know what I'm saying? It like makes you want the shoe even more, like proud to own it type thing. And for $125, man, you can't go wrong. The materials, like I said, are super nice. Everything about this shoe looks really good. I want to get the white pair in hand so I can see what that looks like. Because if it looks anything like this, aside from the sock liner, because I know that's all satin. I looked at the picture online, which I threw up for y'all. And y'all can like rewind it back and look at the picture. But I think that these are a nice little holiday collab that Nike threw out there. But y'all let me know y'all thoughts down below, man. And I'm gonna do an on feet as well, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be at the end of the video, so watch all the way through so you guys can see how these things look on feet. Throw together a couple fits for y'all, but y'all let me know how y'all feel about this shoe. And that's pretty much it, man. It came with a regular SB box. Y'all already know the deal. Size 13, my personal size. Purple SB box, Nike SB on there. Open this thing up. You guys can see that quality control sticker and then the other remaining laces in there. Boom. And like I said, man, this is a dope shoe. Real dope. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about this shoe, man. I'm going to go ahead and get into the on feet. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. And leave some comments down below, man. Let me know how you guys feel about this shoe right here for Valentine's Day. But that's pretty much it. King Kilo is out. Peace.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you do some magic in it. Act like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You itty bitty, and I'll be there. Be there.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You ain't I'm stuck up in my ways, but love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think you do some magic in it. Act like you did it. Yeah. Don't be tripping, I'll be there in a minute. You itty bitty, and I'll be there.
I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Finding for your fucking ass.